Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
What's good, y'all, man? Welcome to Jeazie Tv. Damn, it's been so long I forgot how to say it. Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. Today we are in Chula Vista in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin on spring break. Anyways, we're gonna start off right here. When you walk in, you walk into the kitchen area. As you see, we got a little hangers and stuff to hang your clothes up and stuff. Got the iron board for people that don't like to walk around wrinkled and whatever that is. We'll take over here to the counter. We got all our snacks and stuff. Of course, the place that came with bowls and plates and cups. We're gonna be here for a few days, so we want to get real comfortable. Take you over here. Got the fridge. Oh shoot, my bad. We got the fridge. Ain't nothing in there, but we got the fridge for when we want to eat and want to chill and just lounge. Microwave. You know how much we complain about microwaves when we go to hotels. They don't ever have microwaves. We got one. And my favorite part, the stove. So I can cook breakfast and stuff for the family, hella campy. And then we got the sink to wash our dishes and everything. Just a typical kitchen. We'll take you over here to the dining room. Well, first of all, we got the two tables right here for the countertop, you know, when we eat breakfast or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I got my new phone just came into town. What up? Okay, bye. All right, got the dining room table. So if we want to eat dinner or lunch or breakfast, whatever, we can sit as a family. You know, a lot of people don't do that no more. But we can sit as a family and ask each other, you know, how was your day? And then anyway, we got the little, what do they call it, okay.
It's a chair.
Oh, it's just a chair. We got the chair over here for when we want to just chill, watch TV, you know, all this good stuff. This is the front room. This is the couch, and it's also a pull-out couch. And no table, TV. This is our lounging area right here. I'm gonna show y'all rooms in a minute. Hold on, I'm gonna take y'all to the rest of this area right here. Okay. Right over here, we got the jacuzzi. Don't ask me why the jacuzzi is just in the middle of the dang room, but it's in the middle of the room. But anyways, we got the jacuzzi right here. I guess it's a family jacuzzi. Then over here, we got another little coffee table or whatever where we can chill. We got a nice little view out here where we can see the view. Over there is the indoor water park. And then they got volleyball, they got grills out here and stuff. This is a lounge area, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, follow me back up here. Follow me back up here. I'm gonna show you the first bedroom. This right here is the kids' bedroom. Double beds in here, nice and spacious. Got the little flat screen up in here. Got the stuff to hang your stuff up. It's real cozy in here, you know what I'm saying? The kids gonna enjoy the next few days of being here. And then we're about to go over here to the first bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. This bathroom is spacious too, as you can see. It's very spacious. I can do squats in here, you know what I'm saying? Got the bathtub, the shower. And then over here is just to hang some stuff up if you want to hang some extra stuff. So yeah, real nice spacious bathroom. All right, now I'm about to take y'all to where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. Come on in. This is the master room, as you can see, where the masters stay at. You know, we got the TV up here on the top, and this is what's putting the icing on the cake. We got the little fireplace right here. Wax on, wax off. Just turn it on straight like that. We got a nice little view over here. Same view as over in there. We can see the indoor water park. We got our little nightstands for both of us, his and hers. And then over here we got this closet that was made in the 1920s. My wife already put her stuff up. She always be having her stuff put up. I get like her. Mine's still in the back. Anyway, that's the little closet. Over here, my side, you know, men supposed to sleep by the side of the door for all you men that don't know. Okay, this is the master bathroom. It's cool. It's, you know, just a bathroom. But then we got the shower over here, and that's pretty much it. This is a nice room though. We at Chula Vista in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. So if y'all want to check it out, link below, and y'all can check out. There's a lot of rooms out here, so y'all check it out and y'all let us know how y'all like it. We're gonna let you know how we like it when we done. that's it for today. I'm gonna take y'all on out of here. It's been a minute, I know. We ain't been nowhere, but we back at it. You feel me? So yeah. Jeazie TV, Jeazie Cribs, we back. I know y'all missed us, but yeah, straight like that. Now y'all gotta go. Come on. All right, it's been real, man. I'm about to enjoy our vacation in Wisconsin Dells, and y'all do the same, straight like that.